Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss something very, very important, the important topic probably of this entire year. When is the right time to invest in the Indian markets? Now, in front of you, you can see the screen of Nifty. This is a chart of Nifty. I have marked few levels for you. Before we discuss 2025, let's quickly look at 2024 once, what I had discussed. Now, let me just remind you once before I discuss 2024, my style of investment is completely different. All right. And do not compare this with everyone else. Those YouTube analysts, those who you follow regularly, please don't compare this. This is completely different. And the methods I use are totally different. All right. So at the end of the video, I think I forgot to discuss your Astro Remedies in the time cycle video. So I'll discuss that also and some important tips which I have, which I'm going to follow for this 2025. Now, before we discuss 2025, let's see this chart of PC Jeweler. Why is my method totally different? Now, if you look at PC Jeweler, this is the date which I shared this for investment. Now, the stock has been split, the price has been fallen, what so and so forth. But let me just pull up the screenshot. I have taken saved a screenshot for you. Yes. So if you can see this chart, PC Jeweler, I have mentioned in my tweet, those who are following me on Twitter or the platform X, which is it's called now. So on July 23rd, right? So I added PC Jeweler for investment. Current market price that time was 74. And by September 16th, right, within few months, PC Jeweler gave 100% return, almost double the price, 74 to 148, right? So my methods of invest, this is last year. This is only one stock which I shared publicly last year. And this was the date approximately. If you mark, you can see nearly 140% plus returns. Anyway, one of the stocks which I gave during Muhurat picks was Manappuram. Manappuram started its rally late in December, right, towards the end of the year. And we got nearly a 30% rally already in one of the Muhurat picks. The other Muhurat picks are still stagnant, they're sideways. They are not for investment in a bulk. These are for SIPs, as per my understanding. That is what I have shared. This is totally different game. Again, SIPs are totally different from investing directly at once bulk. I think this is something which all the investors can understand. Now, 2025. 2025 is very, very important because I have told you long time back itself, few months ago, and those who have been studying the advanced concepts in the New Year video of 2024, meaning here at this point, when we started the new year of 2024, I made a New Year's video in which I have revealed some method where we can understand which will be the best years to invest in Nifty using some GAN method, right? For the next 20, 30 years, or even further, you can plot, right? As long as you're alive, you can do that. So that method I've discussed only with the advanced concept members. That is in 2024 Jan 1st of 2024. Now, 2025, I have been discussing this for a long time. I've been mentioning this a long time. So if you're following me regularly, I've shared this, that there is a good chance of a major bottom in 2025. All right. There's a good chance of a very good swing low and a rally till 2031. So clearly next 5 to 6 years, we might get a good rally in the markets if we get a major bottom in 2025. When in 2025? Nearly towards the end of the year, right? Towards the end of the year, Q3 or Q4 of 2025 or early 2026, Jan or Feb, right? So these are the ideas which I have. These are based on time analysis. Keep in mind, I have never discussed OI analysis. I have never discussed FIIDI, buying, selling figures. I have never discussed any stock fundamental with anyone and any of the videos. I only look at price and time, my price methods, the time analysis methods. Price analysis, I use Elliott Wave Master Course, which has already been published in the YouTube. You can study that. If you want to study a higher level of that, you can join the advanced concepts when you are thorough with the YouTube course first. All right. Now, very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to break down Nifty structure using Elliott Wave. And we're going to see where is the next opportunity we can find. If I go to a weekly time frame in Nifty, from the low of 15,118 back in 2022, we had a massive bull run. So definitely it's a very strong move in the market. Here, what I want you to note is you can see a difference in colors, right? Yellow marking and this white marking. So from 15,183 level, we are going to draw the impulsive wave. This is going to be a little technical. Those who have studied the Elliott Wave Master Course, I'm sure you already know what I'm going to talk about. And this I have already discussed before. I'll discuss it again since it's the new year and many people have joined for the first time they're watching this video. I just need to explain this in a simple manner so that you can pick it up later when you are tracking it by your own. Okay. So I'm drawing this as wave 1, wave 2. We are in a wave, massive wave 3, wave 4 will come, and wave 5. All right. This is just a parallel view. If I draw the same thing over, it's something like this. Okay. Wave 1, wave 2. We are in a massive wave 3. One second. All right. Wave 3 and wave 4 is yet to come. From this, you can understand that in the future, there'll be a rally, there'll be a dip, and another new high in the market. All right. So this is the basic understanding. Now, once you look at this wave 3, since it is very big, I have told you many times earlier that there's something called extensions. All right. When market tends to extend in wave 3s, it will be a huge wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, since this is the case, we are starting from 16,000 now. Wave 2 we have marked here around 16,828. Let's continue for the wave. This is your wave 3.1. 3.2 is the next dip. This entire bit is 3.3. All right. Now we are in this wave 3.4. All right. So this is our target wave. This is a low risk opportunity for investors, not traders. I'll keep you updated with the Nifty levels and weekly levels, daily levels in the Telegram group, as well as the next video, which will come out tomorrow, is for the next week. All right. So this is for investors. Note it. Whenever there's a dip, corrective dip, a fourth wave or wave B or wave 2, these are opportunities for investors to get into the market. All right. Now, since it's a wave 3.4, we are going to see a wave 3.5 in the coming years. And then we'll go for again correction fourth wave. Then last bit, final wave 5. This I expect to be completed by 2029 or 2030, at least till then. Okay. It's going to be a big one for sure. So where do I invest? Now, before we discuss where and when, I think you understood when we are looking for the investment opportunity towards the end of 2025. Now, where is the question? Which price level is the best price level? For that, you must understand the structure which is happening here. All right. You must understand the structure. Now, there's a simple question, sir. If you're telling me price is definitely going to go up, okay, the price is definitely going to go up, then why should I care where is the best time to invest? I can invest anytime, right? So the only opportunity I see here in explaining this point to you is it's up to you how you manage your investment strategies, your risk management. But the only thing I can tell you is don't get trapped at this point here, right? Many of them got trapped here thinking the price of 27,000, 28,000, 29,000 will come. Yes, of course it will come in the future. But those who have put their life savings, those who have put their direct salary into the market, they know the pain of investing at the top, and the market has fallen down. This is mostly an educational purpose video, so I'm not giving you advice when to exactly invest. You must consult your financial advisors before you take any action in the market. Now, here we are discussing a possible 3.4 wave, correct? A 3.4 wave. Okay, 3.4. Now, fourth waves, if you have studied the Elliott Wave Master Course, in that, the intermediate stage, I've told you, fourth waves are the most dangerous. Fourth waves and wave B. These are the most dangerous waves in the Elliott wave entire structure. Here, anything can happen. Anything can happen, as in Market can go sideways like this, an ABC pattern. It can go for a triangle pattern like this, squeeze. It can also go for a nice deep pullback like this, right? ABC. All these are the possibilities in the fourth wave. So we do not predict where or what structure fourth wave is making. We only follow our rules. What are the rules we follow? Now, we are looking for, first, if there is a price correction, we are looking for 38 to 50% correction. So if I mark from all-time high to 16,828 approximate levels, where is the 38 to 50% zone? Mark that first. So as per our rules, wave 4, if there is a price correction, we want it to come near 38 to 50% zone. So this becomes our low risk. Okay. Why is this low risk? Because if it sustains below this, we can take a small SL, right? So our risk management also is there. Simple. Now, will it come? The question is, will the price come till here? It is not necessary. Like I told you, wave 4 are most dangerous waves. It is not necessary for price to come here. What can the price do? It can simply do this also sideways pattern, one of the sideways patterns like this, or it can go like this full time. It can make a triangle pattern like this slowly, right? This is the possibility. Now, the only added advantage we have, what is the added advantage? We know that our opportunity we are looking for at the end of the year. Okay. We are looking at the end of the year. So does the time analysis tell you whether market will make a lower low or a higher low? Does time analysis tell you? No, it does not tell us. So in our preparation, okay, in our preparation for investment, what we must understand is there's a good chance market can do this also. If market comes for a dip towards the end of the year, we might get a secondary higher low. Okay, we can get a higher low also, and then possible for the next rally higher. This is another alternative view which I'm telling you. So basically you understood what a rough idea that we are in a correction and there's a good chance we are going for all-time high after this correction is over, and this is the opportunity investors must take. All right. Now, my opinion is very simple. You can see this 38 to 50% zone here. If I take this out a little bit and I just mark this candle, this is the election day candle, right? June 4th candle, election day candle. I'm just marking this range of the candle. Okay. I'm just marking the range of this candle, and the midpoint of this is here. 22,243. This would be my target. This would be my target in any downside. And this would be my reference levels in case market comes here. And if I want to prepare my investments, I want price to sustain above the midpoint level of this fast big candle here, right? That is my first confirmation. This is my personal bias. All right. Next, like I told you, if price does not come down, if there is no price correction, what if market goes completely sideways? What if it does this? In this case, if market goes completely sideways, it will once again come back to this near this level. That is the time we will discuss later on in the second half of this year. We'll discuss if this is a continuation of a very good opportunity to invest, or we are going to look for only short opportunities for this part. So again, second half of the year, I will update another video where we will discuss depending on how the price has reacted. Like I said, if the market goes sideways, I'm telling you, this is even better. Even better. Why am I telling this? Because this gives us a low risk, high probability setup. LR HPS. I've discussed this low risk, high probability setup in the Elliott Wave Master Course. All right. All the low risk setups I've discussed in the Elliott Wave Master Course, you have to study that. Only then You will understand the language of the market. Simple, done. Now, low risk, high probability setup, you understood what I am looking for, and very important, when, right? So, both of that we're looking for. Now, in case you're asking, sir, what if let's do some forecasting? Let's do some forecasting, which all of us love to do, till where Nifty will go, till what are the upper targets. Let's discuss that. So, right now, we are going to assume, let's take a weekly time frame. We are going to assume what market is falling down, and currently market is trading here. Okay, we are just assuming this is going to happen. So question is, sir, till where can the market go? Till what will be the upside target? The upside target will be very simple. First target will be ATH. Okay, first target will be ATH. The next target will be 26,960. Simple, very simple. This is your conservative target, meaning this is a safe target. Okay, safe target, nothing else, nothing complicated. It can go above it if it wants to, no problem, but this is our target, we will achieve that. Simple as that. No question asked, no doubts here. So good. Now question is, sir, where do we invest? Where do we invest? Now this is the question which everyone wants to know. People will pay money for. People will, blindly. Some people will definitely post buy here, sell there. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, like I'm reminding you for the second time. I'm not going to tell you where you should put your money. I'll tell you what I'm planning to do. So the entire year, like I said, we are looking for the opportunity in the end of the year, right? 2026 starting or 2025 end. So what I am planning to do for this year, especially, is I am planning for gold and silver. Okay. So gold and silver. Bees is the first option for those with low budget. You can take solid gold and silver also, no problem. Right? So my entire motto is, don't put your own money in the market. Rotate the money which is coming from the market. Meaning, if you make small profit also, let's say you make a profit of 1,000 rupees, take 500 for yourself, keep 500 for investment. Simple. That is a little bit very simple to understand, nothing complicated. Question is, now you'll ask, sir, what will I get in 500 rupees? You can get nice, you can get buy some gold piece. This is my advice. This is my own opinion. All right. This is what I am planning to do. Simple. If you make a profit of 10,000 rupees, simple, you can do the same thing. 5,000 this thing, 5,000 like that. That is up to you how you manage it, right? If you make 1 lakh rupees, that's up to you. But the entire fundamental idea here is rotate the profit for investment capital. Okay. This year, especially. Okay. I don't want to put new money of my own from my own pocket in the market. Market's money, I'll put it back in the market. That is my idea. Very simple. Now, we have done in this video, we have understood where to invest, what to invest, how to invest, and especially the most important part is the levels. Okay, we understood that. Structure also we understood. Now the question is, sir, the Astro Remedies, which I'm going to tell you, is it going to help you in any way? Now, everyone's DNA is different. Everyone's fingerprint is different. Everyone's Kundali, meaning birth chart, right? Basically birth chart is also different. Here, the best remedies which I'm doing myself is what I'm going to share. Okay. How these will help you, you will find a difference in possibly your life, peaceful life, possibly your trading, your business ventures, or all that will be very drastically improved suddenly. The evergreen, the first remedy, which is the evergreen, which is without fail you must do, especially before June or July, is distribute food. Okay. Distribute food for whom? Right? For whom? First question. For whom should I distribute food? Priority wise, I'll tell you. Children. In children, priority is girl child who has not yet reached adolescence. Girl child. Obviously, boy also is a equal preference. If you give, it's very good. But if you had an option, you have, let's say, limited amount, first give girl child, then give boy. Net children are important. Next, right? Next two phases, like both of them are same, adults. Basically, there are two, young and old. In old, never ignore women. Old people come, maybe traffic stop, maybe outside tea shop, maybe outside a bakery. If you're drinking a 10 rupees tea, you can buy a 10 rupees bun from the same 10 rupees bun or biscuit and give to the woman who's sitting right in front of the tea shop. Okay, if in front of a bakery, buy 10 rupees, 50 rupees bread, whatever, and give. It's not a big deal. It's a very small amount. Nothing's going to happen to you. But this effect, you don't know what major effects will happen in your life. Okay, this is one. Distribute food. Now, in the young phase, distributing food, labors come under the same category. Now, labors, basically, I don't want to, let's say, classify anyone. I wanted to directly tell you, labors as in those who do hard work. Hard work everyone does. I know some people do physical hard work, some people do mental hard work. I'm talking about construction people. Okay, I'm talking about the sweepers who sweep the road, sweep your apartment, maybe sweep your flat, whatever. Next, security guards, right? These people put in their physical effort and time for exchange of money. Okay, so these people, what I want you to do is, if you distribute food, it has to be cooked. First point, this has to be cooked. Okay, for children, cooked food, what you will also eat. Okay, this is one of the major evergreen remedies, what you will also eat. For girl child, especially if they ask for anything like sweet or bun or something like that, chocolate, definitely give it to them. Water, if you're carrying extra water bottle, 10 rupees, Kinley, Aquafina, whatever, mineral water, give it. You can buy another one. Anyway, next, food, labors which they can cook on their own, as in one packet of let's say rice, 1 kg rice, 1 kg let's say dal. Okay, 1 kg wheat for atta. Okay, atta for roti or chapati or anything. These three things minimum you can pack in one this thing and give. When is the question now. Again, time, new moon, full moon. Okay, new moon, full moon is the best time. Avoid eclipse times. Avoid solar and lunar eclipse. That time you want to avoid giving anything. Okay, so new moon, full moon is the best time to distribute food, especially this kind of thing. Okay, cooked food you can give anytime, no problem, no issues. But this kind of food, what I'm telling you, is very priority wise. You must follow it. Labors for this thing, entire thing is for labors. Now, like I said, keep in mind you're traveling, traffic stops, or anywhere, sitting in your car, bike. People, if they come and ask for money, especially women, old women, grandmother type age, weak, fragile, just give them some water, some toffee, some biscuit bun. So what I'm telling you is very simple. Carry some food or water extra when you go outside your house. That's all. That's all I'm telling you. All right. It's not a big effort from your side. It's a small effort, but do this. You will see the difference in the next 6 months. You have no idea. This is the first part, distributing food. Second one, that is the first one is evergreen. Second one is what you can follow for this year. Get rid of unused electronics. Laptops, phones, old phones, tabs, right, chargers and all that. Get rid of it. Dispose them, recycle them, or resell them, whatever. Only what you use must be there at home. Or let's say some people have sentimental value, like my father gave it to me, my mother gave it to me, my aunt, grandmother, grandfather, friend, best friend, girlfriend, whatever, but you're not using it. So what you do is every weekend what you do is charge it fully and put it, use it, just operate it just for 1 second, connect internet, disconnect, whatever, just operate it. It should be operational. Okay, this you have to follow. This is, we are targeting something called, there's a Rahu element in all our kundali, which we are targeting directly. Those who know Vedic, those who know astrology, they know the value of Rahu, especially with our Indian markets. For example, I'll tell you, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ra, okay, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ra. His investment advisory, Rara. Obviously, it can be his family name, some other reasons he can have Rara, but some people, they won't speak about it in public. Ari again Rahu, right? Similarly, our YouTube channel is Retail Army. Okay. Anyway, all this we'll discuss some other time, but I hope you can understand the logic behind it, right? This is the second most important thing you must follow this year. Third most important thing is your health. Health and accidents, road accidents. So simple, guys. It's not like I'm telling you don't travel on the road. It's some people, it's unavoidable circumstances. The only thing is be safe, drive calmly. There's no need to, go into any road rage. Do something good on your own side. And like I said, if you follow the first remedy, all these issues will go automatically. But the only point which I'm telling you here is this year, for many of you, they have already told me that this time feels like a new year. What does it mean? After 2020, this is the first time we are feeling like something is definitely changing in our life. Okay. Something is definitely changing in our life. This is what many people are saying. Yes. The truth behind this is nothing but a 4-year cycle. What triggered in 2020 is completed now in 2024. This is a 4-year cycle. The next 4-year cycle has started from 2025, right? It is not just markets, it is also human life, human psychology, nature, right? That is why many of you are feeling, yes, 2025, definitely something new is going to happen. This is definitely a new year for me. I feel different energy now. This is the reason behind it. All right. So here, what I want you to take care of is your health, most priority this new year. And next is road accidents. I want you to be safe on the road when you drive or travel. All right. So with this, I'll close the video here, guys. I hope this is a different multi-topic video we spoke here. We spoke about investments, we spoke about remedies, and also what to look for. We will discuss that in the second half of the year. Investments, like I gave PC Jeweler, I don't give much investments in public. The only one or two I give you, that will be a bagger, nice bagger. But here, this year, I've told you the entire year, my focus is on gold and silver. All right. This I cannot tell you, explain why gold and silver. Maybe I've told the public people, sorry, in the private meetings, I've told people why gold and silver in the future is going to be a very important investment now. Anyway, we'll talk about that in the another video, but next video will be definitely on Nifty's weekly outlook and weekly setup. I'll see you there, and till then, you guys be safe, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again.